Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Quick look here at VeChain, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a few key factors here. Looking like we are tentatively going to break this resistance level here, but once more, a lot can happen between now and then. We do have a nice little cup pattern forming here, potential for a handle, right? Maybe to bounce off one of these key levels here. We're going to double check that and a few other things, of course, because honestly, it's pure speculation. If we're going to see that, that's just simply a nice little pattern that we're seeing form here so far. What we want to look at is a few key things here on the back end, get a little more statistical, you could say, with the back end data. Also, welcome aboard if you're new to the channel. Not a financial advisor. Hope you can learn something today. If you do want to learn a lot more, cryptocash.tag is the site. Link down below. I've got a trading university. Got a lot of graduates here recently, and of course, a trading academy and signals group too. So be sure to check that out. I do provide trade signals for all the trades that I take. So roughly 4 cents even is a close approximate, maybe 4.1. Yeah, we'll just say 4 cents even. That is effectively a key level support, not because of the the liquidation there. Just know, generally speaking, a support level liquidation forms at support. Okay, so generally speaking, we can kind of understand that. Moving forward, though, do we have a key level resistance here? Well, not necessarily. Once more, the 5.16? We'll just say 5.15 as a round number is where we have a heavy concentration of liquidation just above the most recent resistance level. Okay, so again, that's where the price action stopped out and is more likely to reject initially. Okay, so again, that could lead to the cup and handle where the price comes up here and rejects out. It could also not happen at all, right? The price could literally drop from here, but we are essentially creating higher highs and higher lows, and there's a lot of positive contributing factors here, including, in case you missed the memo, Bitcoin broke 53,000, a very strong resistance level, and should essentially pivot there as a new support, right? Again, no guarantees, but generally speaking, that's how things typically work. So daily time frame, let's go ahead and double check a few key factors here. We're above all moving averages, so VeChain's been bullish for quite some time. Once more, very careful shorting this coin. I would much rather see you take another long at a lower price point than take a short position to that level. Don't know why people seem to want to consider shorting at all times, but don't get your mindset into that thought process. The inverse should apply. You should be taking more longs than shorts right now, just generally speaking where we're at. Am I telling you to long the top? No, but I am telling you once things calm down, longs might be a better fit than a short would. Okay? Again, just some things to kind of think about. So VeChain daily, let's quickly note here that stochastic RSI is swinging upwards here, or trying to. Hasn't fully yet, but it looks like it wants to. We're up over 70 at RSI. We have been for some time. Money flow index is high. There's no reason to short this coin. Okay, simply put, everything is bullish on the daily. 4-hour time frame may tell us something different, but if we look at and we can kind of zoom in here compared to the recent activity over the weekend and or last week, tremendous amount of volume coming into this coin. That's going to be able to sustain the price action too. RSI is up over 70. That's a fantastic sign for the 4-hour time frame. I know people will probably contradict me by saying, "Oh, well, that means it's overbought. That means you want to sell." Not necessarily. You probably want to consider selling when the RSI comes back down, because it could continue to run. And if it does, that's when you consider selling. Not right now. It's too premature. Okay. So again, more likely than not, we'll see the price continue higher. Why do I think that? Because money flow index is insanely high. Okay. Even though we're seeing stochastic divergence, the price will likely pull back a little bit. That's besides the point. The overall trend is up, and you need to respect the trend. Moving average convergence divergence, still converging, no surprise there. So the 4-hour time frame, once more, is still very bullish. Okay, a tremendous amount of volume support at 4.5 as a close approximate. So keep in mind the price does pull back. That'd be an absolutely normal bouncing point for this coin. Okay, so looking pretty good there as well. Hourly time frame, probably going to confirm a lot of the same things here. Okay, we take a look here. There's no reason to consider showing this coin, mainly because lagging spans free and clear, conversion lines over the baseline. The actual cloud itself is consolidating at about 4.7, 4.8 roughly. Okay, so that does imply that this 0.618 level, the more recent high range, is going to be more likely than not a nice support level here if the price pulls back. So me personally, I love getting into situations like this where the price action breaks through a key level resistance, comes back to retest that range, and effectively get into a lower price point. So to me, 4.7, 4.8 seems like a very appropriate entry. I'll move it up to 4.8 so we can get notified if the price pulls back. Once more, I'm emphasizing the word if because we don't know, all right? So if the price does pull back, we'll see a bounce there. It may even just continue to run. All depends on Bitcoin. So you want to get in now and maybe average your price down a little bit, you can. You can consider entry now and 3 or 4% lower. I'm not saying the price is going to drop, but if it does, I'm going to consider that entry. Okay, that's again more so how I like to trade. I'm a swing trader by nature. I've day traded for plenty of years, and I no longer do that just because it's too stressful, right? Why short this coin right now and be like stressed out about the price going the opposite direction when you don't have to? Why not wait for a better entry and just take it when you want to? A little more casual, a little more my speed. Again, everyone has different strategies, but we got day trades and swing trades in our community, so be sure to check that out if you're curious. Also, be sure to check out Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, highly recommended. They use, you can use leverage, of course, no KYC or VPN required. Use my link to register, you get some nice benefit rewards, and they are adding VeChain as well to their community, to their list of trading pairs here in the very near future. By month end, that's essentially what I've been told they're going to be adding that. So really cool stuff. VeChain is awesome. Thanks again for watching. Hope you learned something today, of course. If you do want to learn a lot more, again, cryptocash.tech is a site. Join my trading academy, community, and signals group. I hope you have a great rest of the day. We will see you in the next one. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.